shocked by your bills, London or Toronto, and 10K a month rent experience one tool, 8 watching and stay stuck forever. What if I told you a Pakistani guy from Lahore is helping people in UK and Canada earn 10K every single month while they sleep? High rent, heavy taxes, and the grind of a 9-to-5 job in the city leave no extra money. The daily struggle feels endless. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I went from $0 to $10 per month using it. You can do the exact same thing in just 15 minutes starting today. I was in Lahore with no experience, but I started targeting UK and Canada clients, and that changed everything. In the UK, AI adoption is just 12%. This means by 20 could lose $400 billion and Canada $200 billion.
This works even if you have zero tech skills. For example, easy website builders or simple drag and drop apps.
The secret weapon is called OpenClaw, and I'm going to show you the full setup live right now. A strong password must be at least 12 characters long. It should mix uppercase, lowercase numbers, and make it unique, not reused across sites. Stay until the end or you will regret missing this in 2026.
Expanding to London was seamless. We launched.
So we met all regulations on stack shovel.
This service streamlined everything for us in London.
AI agents are like super smart computer programs that work for you. They can do tasks on their own, like a digital assistant. They handle emails and data.
In 2026, traditional side hustles in the UK and Canada are failing due to market saturation, rising costs, and AI automation.
Living in high-cost cities like London and Toronto, they find deals, manage bills, and plan finances so you can live smart.
To begin, go to openclaw.com and enter your email. Click sign up, then go to the installation page. Finally, click install to get started.
Step 2. Choosing the perfect LLM for UK Canada users. Prioritize EU and UK data links. Check for Canadian market support. Connect global links at GPT-4.
Step 3. Creating and editing the sole MD file with copy-paste examples. First, create the file, then open it in Nano. Step 4. Connecting Telegram, Slack, and email accounts safely. Enter your phone number and the verification code sent to your device. Then, connect Slack and email.
Let's build your first auto-reply agent. First, set the trigger. New email and email action. Type your message here and save. Step 6, turning it into a full content creation agent that could make some ad placements, so your agent doesn't just create content, it generates profit.
The 3 most common errors for UK and Canada users: payment declined, location error, and app crash and currency.
Keep your software updated, use strong passwords, and enable a firewall. A cheap VPS makes these essential security practices affordable and accessible.
Let's break down the total cost. Your streaming service is $9.99, cloud storage is $2.99, music is $4.99, and fixed is $7.99 a month. Less than $50.
Start with a CEO agent to lead, then add a marketer agent for campaigns. This is how you scale to a full AI team. Here are the secrets to make your AI agents 10 times better. First, define a clear role. Second, request two-shot examples. Hello, I'll show you how our AI agent posts on LinkedIn for UK clients. The agent crafts the post, and I just review and publish it. Let's generate leads for Toronto real estate. We'll enter the location and property preferences. The agent searches. We can now contact this lead directly.
Hello, I'm your 24/7 customer support bot. I'm always here to help. Just type help or contact to get started.
Post to social media every day automatically. Our agent handles scheduling and posting. Save time and boost your engagement.
Struggling to reach UK businesses? Our cold email automation agents grow your business and send tailored solutions.
I've just created 30 posts in 5 minutes. Let me show you how. The calendar populates instantly. That's 30 posts, done. As a first-time entrepreneur in the UK, I was amazed in life £2,500, then hit 10,000. It's life-changing. Hey, I'm a freelancer in Toronto. In my first month, I made 8 clients by networking on LinkedIn and delivered projects efficiently. You can do this too. I used to work 80 hours a week. Now, thanks to this tool, 40 hours has transformed my business. I highly recommend it. Let's break down a 10K income for UK viewers. After tax, NI, and student loan, use pension contributions to reduce your tax bill. Deductions include federal and provincial taxes, CP at 5.95%, and EI at 1.66%.
Phase 1, optimize your business by cutting costs and increasing average order value. Phase 3, automate and delegate to free up your time.
To find your first client on LinkedIn, start by searching for your ideal customer. Use this message template. Hi name. For UK and Canada clients, my proposals highlight proven success in your guts. I'll craft strategies that deliver results and build lasting partnerships. To get clients fast from Facebook groups, join niche groups where your ideal clients are active. Then post a day with offering a free consultation.
Hi, I help businesses in Toronto and Vancouver grow through digital marketing. I've worked with companies like yours too. Let's schedule a quick call. How's next week? Price your services at $500 to $2,000 per client. This ensures you cover costs and value your expertise. Build a portfolio with free demos. First, select your product. Then free demos to showcase your skills. Now you're ready to publish.
My first sale was a huge milestone. I needed it was with Vape, which helped me improve. It's crucial for growth.
You can close your first sale in under 7 days. Day 1, research and outreach. Day 4, follow-ups and pitches. Day 7, close and celebrate. You got this.
I understand it sounds too good to be true. Let me explain why it's not. We offer full transparency, proven results, and a risk-free trial.
Welcome! Your bonus is the free OpenClaw template pack. It includes ready-to-use 2D and download cloud run templates.
In bonus 2, you get 50 ready-to-use money-making prompts. These are proven to generate income fast fast and easily. Grab them now.
Welcome to Bonus 3. Here are client contract templates for the UK and Canada. From the template, select the one you need. Then, customize it with your details.
Report all AI income on Schedule 1. Freelance work, royalties, and side hustles. Common deductions include home office expense.
Bonus 5. Private Discord community access. Get exclusive support, network with peers, and elevate your game. Enroll today.
Introducing the advanced multi-agent system, designed to generate collaborative and scalable intelligence. It transforms operations into consistent revenue.
To watch the complete second part, subscribe right now and comment yes. Like this video and turn on notifications.